In this video, I want to share with you a very free logo maker website that you can use to design your website, to design your logo very easily, and you can output it free of charge and use it for your content creation. So to get to it, all you need to do is to open your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, and then come to the search bar and just search Hatchful, just like so, and just click on it. You can see free logo maker Hatchful by Shopify. So you just click on this and it's going to bring you to the site. Create professional logos in seconds. Introducing Hatchful, the custom logo maker. So you just click to get started. So choose your business space. This helps us create better logos for you. So you can just choose what business space. Are you in fashion, healthy, home and garden, food and drinks, art? And so our own case is tech. Okay, so tech logos. So you just click on next. So you choose your style, your visual style over here. So reliable, classic, conservative, creative, elegant, energetic. And let's say we want it to be conservative, bold, reliable, classic. You can choose as many as you want, and then you can make it strong. You can select up to 3 brands. Okay, so you can click on next. Then add your business name. For example, the name now is going to be something like Dr. Rashid, and let's say, all right, so you click on next. Tell us where the logo will be used. Choose all that may apply. So you can choose more than one place. So let's say on social media, on our website. I think that's all. All right, social media and website, because we are going to use it all online. So you click on next. We made these logos for you. You can choose from these available ones. All right, you can just check and see which one actually kind of resonates with your content. So let's say we are going with something like this. All right, so you can click to edit the logo. As you hover over it, you see this editing menu. Just click to edit, and you're free to edit it if you so wish. For example, you can edit the name accordingly from here, or you can change the coloration. You can see different samples over here. You can select from anyone. Maybe let's say you're not fond of red, maybe you're fond of this color. You can see you can change it very easily. You can change it to another color if you want, and check the fonts. If you want to change the font, you've seen the different fonts that we have. We have handwritten fonts. You can just change that and it's going to reflect over here. So you select anyone, you can see it has just reflected. So depending on what you want, you can change the name from the beginning, just like we've shown. You can change the name and the slogan. You can browse other templates if you want. You can come back here and browse other templates and see for yourself whichever one that you prefer. So you can just pick, example, you can pick this and say edit. And once you are done editing, let's say we go with this. And once you are done, you're starting with everything, you are satisfied with the coloration, you can just come over here and click on next. Click on next. And congratulations on your new logo. Download your free logo now. Okay, so you can just see it over here and you can download it. Just put your email address and password to sign up. So you need to create an account over here. So you click on sign up, and you can see all done. Your logo package and design file has been sent to your address. You can generate the domains if you want. So what you need to do now is just to go over and log into your account and just download, or you can come over here and you can just hover over it, or you can just come over here, hover over it. You can see you can download very easily. Just click to download. Okay, so let me check my Gmail account. Okay, so I'm checking my email address. You can see it over here. We just click and you can see the website. Your files are ready. Okay, thanks for using Hatchful. You just click on this to download, and you can see it over here downloaded. You just click on this, show in folder, and you can go over here. Right, you can see it. And one good thing about it, it has designed the logo for all the content for Facebook, for Favicom, for Instagram banner, for Pinterest, and for Twitter, and even YouTube profile. So you can check on any one of them. You can by just clicking. You can see this is for Facebook. You can click on this. This is your general logo. All right, and you can see the one for Twitter. You can click, just double click to see. This is for Twitter. It has used the Twitter sizing. And then this is for YouTube. You can see the sizing. All are different, but they have designed it according to the sizing. This is for Favicom. You can see it. Once you upload, it's going to go like that. So ladies and gentlemen, this is about designing logo with this very simple, freely to use software called Hatchful. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.